I feel like making something. So we're gonna make Rice Krispie treats. 6 tablespoons of butter in here, and we're gonna let that melt. Now that that is completely melted, we're gonna add in about 10 cups of marshmallows, and we're going to let that melt and continue to stir this because you don't want it to burn. All right, now that it is, for the most part, very melted, we're gonna pour in our Rice Krispies. Just like that. Put all of this in the pan. I'll be back. Okay, and how I do it is I kind of squish it out as even as possible and then do the rest with parchment paper. Just push it down. Make it as even as possible, but push it down really, really good. And before I actually let this sit and cool, I'm going to add some decorations to it. Now I'm going to give it one more like squish, I guess. Now you're going to set this to cool. You can do it in the refrigerator for about maybe 30 minutes. The Rice Krispie treats are done, so let's cut into them. They feel a little thin, so I think I'm going to make them a little bigger long ways, I guess. But let's cut into that. So here they are. They're still a little bit sticky. They were in the refrigerator for about 30 minutes, so you might want to put them in for a little bit longer. They are a little bit sticky, but let's try them. Perfect. Nice little Christmas treat.